Here's a set of our 20-degree clear coat rock sliders we just installed on this FJ Cruiser. See the weld, these are all TIG welded. We double pass weld these. They are direct bolt on to the frame here. They don't require any kind of hole drilling or anything. They use all factory holes. All the tubing we use is all DOM 120 wall. They look great. So we just wanted to share those with you. See what your thoughts are and what you think. But these are a 20-degree DOM 120 wall TIG welded rock slider that we offer from Westcott Designs. Thanks again for watching.